Hello, my name is William Smith and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about TEDS Woodworking before you actually buy the product. Created by Mcgrath, TEDS Woodworking is one of the most popular woodworking plans and projects packages online today. In this TEDS Woodworking review we will take a look at this product and see what are the pros and cons of this package. TEDS Woodworking Review: what exactly is this package? Created by Mcgrath, a professional woodworker, educator and AWI member, TEDS Woodworking is a massive collection of more than 16,000 woodworking projects and blueprints which you can easily follow to build your own home furniture, garden chairs, dog houses, bird feeders, shed and many more. Mcgrath spent the last 2 years putting together his woodworking package, and according to him this package is the most comprehensive online today. However, with so many woodworking packages out on the market and on the internet today, is TEDS Woodworking really worth the money? To answer this question and to find if this package is really for you, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of Mcgrath's woodworking package. TEDS Woodworking Review: the pros and cons. The pros. Suitable for different levels. There is no doubt that many woodworkers can benefit from this package. Beginners will find these woodworking plans clear and concise. Nature gives them a solid foundation to build their first projects as they build their confidence to move on to more complex carpentry projects and increase their skill level. Advanced and professional woodworkers will appreciate the huge variety of different projects and the time-saving value of having a high-quality set of plans waiting for virtually any challenge. Very useful bonuses. When you order TEDS Woodworking package you will also receive these 3 bonuses. 1. Free drawing and CAD plan viewer. 2. 150 premium woodworking videos. 3. The complete woodworking carpentry guide. The complete woodworking carpentry guide, a 200 pages guide with carpentry tips and tricks, is very useful for beginners, and the premium videos can help any woodworker to hone his carpentry skills. Surprisingly organized. With 16,000 plans, you'd expect TEDS Woodworking to be pretty disorganized. However, I found it pretty easy to find the exact project I wanted. Money back guarantee. The product comes with 60 days money back guarantee, and if you are not completely satisfied with what you get, you will receive your money back. The cons. It may take time to download the package. The size of this download package is not small, and if you have slow internet connection it may take you a couple of hours to download all the blueprints. In this case it may be a good idea to upgrade to the DVD edition. You can do it at the members area. May be a little overwhelming at first. Just because there are so many different woodworking projects and plans, the members area can be a little overwhelming at first. However, the plans are organized by category, and once you get started, you will find it is not difficult to find what you are looking for. TEDS Woodworking Review: the bottom line. Overall, there is no doubt that TEDS Woodworking is a very comprehensive and detailed woodworking package that comes with a great amount of solutions for any kind of woodworking project you might think of. There are other great woodworking packages online and some of them are cheaper than this one, but I seriously doubt that you will find any package that is so comprehensive as this one, with its thousands of detailed instructions for all kinds of projects, great bonuses and very good customer support. I hope that you found this TEDS Woodworking review to be helpful for you. All the best.